I'm going to be telling you about the top 5 reasons for Instacart account deactivation. The first one is fraudulent activity or policy violation. So, engaging in fraudulent behavior such as using bots to claim orders, making unauthorized purchase with the Instacart card, or sharing your account with others can lead to immediate deactivation. Instacart strictly prohibits such action to maintain platform integrity. The second one, low customer ratings and complaints. Consistently receiving low ratings or complaints from customers, such as reports of missing items, late deliveries, or unprofessional behavior can result in account deactivation. Maintaining high service quality is crucial for continued access for the platform. The third one, excessive order cancellation. Frequently accepting and then canceling order increases your cancellation rate. Instacart monitors this metric, and a high cancellation rate can trigger account reviews and potential deactivation. The fourth one, background check issue. Failing the initial background check or having subsequent issues such as changes in your driving record or criminal history can lead to deactivation. Instacart requires all shoppers to meet specified safety standards. 5.1 Jeopardizing food safety. Improper handling of groceries, like not using insulated packs for cold items or tampering with food, violates food safety protocol. Such action cannot compromise customer safety and result in immediate deactivation.